Good morning. I've got a little product here I wanted to share with you. And before we get started, I wanted to send a shout out to iGarden. This video is sponsored by iGarden. They've sent me out this pool cleaner in their higher end range called the KAI series. It says intelligence runs deep. Kind of interesting in some of the things that this will do. I have not seen this. I have not used it. I do not know anything about it. So right off the bat there, you and I are on the same plane. So what we're going to do today is we're going to unbox this product and we're going to get it on a charger and make sure it's fully charged. And then either tomorrow or the next day, we'll be putting this in the pool to run it and then give further impressions on it. Now, in all fairness, I do have a Dreame Z1 Pro robot that I use. It does a fine job. Sometimes it gets stuck. When it's done, it comes up out of the water so that you can just pick it up with a hook. And that's all I'm going to say about that. I'm looking forward to trying the iGarden product. So let's open it up and see what we're going to be dealing with. Just to let you know, these boxes, these products, they're fairly heavy when you get them. The box has some weight to it. It's not that you can't pick them up, but if you're 90, you'll have a problem picking it up for sure. But it has to have some weight to it because it's really got to sink to the bottom of the pool, and then it's got a, it's got all kinds of batteries and motors and stuff in it. So we'll open this up and I'm going to show you what we're going to see here right off the bat. Right off the bat, we have a quick start guide. All right, there's several steps to this. We have product overview. It tells you all the parts and pieces. Tells you what everything is here. Tells you what the tracks are. Filter basket, bionic AI dual. It's got dual cameras in it. Power switch, suction port, brush, infrared sensors, control panel. This tells you about the control panel over here. Tells you how to power on and charge it down here. On the back, it finishes up on how to charge it, how to pair it with your application, how to deploy and start it, and any support and things you might want to know will be on the back of this. But anyway, that's the quick start guide for the iGarden product. Looks like it's very comprehensive. Now, in the box is kind of interesting. There's some slide outs here. There's something in here. There's a hook. Every robot needs a hook. All right. This seems to be nice and strong and sturdy. This is how you're going to fish it out of the pool if you leave it in overnight and it sinks to the bottom. All right. That's that piece. Over here, we've got some more stuff. This is your charging pack and cable. Right, that's going to be plugged into the robot and plugged into the house power. We'll leave that over there for now. That goes back in. Then this comes out. All right, this comes right out of here. There's nothing else in here. This is what protected the package or the product. In the side here, we've got your user manual, and this is www.igarden.ai is the website. We've got our user manual. So this is something I'll be reading before we even get to running this. All right, now we got some more stuff here we got to take out. And then we have the actual robot we're going to take out of the box. It's very well packaged. Very, very well packaged. Make sure there's nothing else in the bottom here, and there's not. We're just going to move this over to the table behind me. We've got some plastic to take off of here. So there's a layer of plastic on here. There was a layer of plastic over this. Now we also have, it's in a cloth bag, cloth storage bag. So when you take this out of the package, it's going to be spotless. And here we go. And again, just as a reminder, this video is sponsored by iGarden. They sent me this out to give it a try. So thank you so much, iGarden. I appreciate it. All right. I'm just giving this a look over. This is the cloth bag. This is desiccant to keep any moisture out of it. There's a handle in the back here to pick it up by. Now this is the product. It's we're gonna give it a turnaround for you. Give you like a 360 of it. Okay. I don't know what the front of the back is. I don't think it matters. This is the exhaust port. And that's the side. Both sides look the same. So again, this hook. This is really heavy duty. This hook, you're going to come in here. You're going to hook this and pick it up right out of the pool with it, okay? Just like that. Right? Lift it, pick it right up out of the pool. This goes on your pool pole. I happen to pull up on this, and I noticed that this comes out. This is your filter basket in here. This is where you would clean it. Rinse it out with the hose. It's much simpler than other models I've seen. This is where your suction comes up in here. Very, very simple and easy. And that's it. Now in this bag, we've got our power thingy. Now let's find out where we plug this in. Camera's in the front here. We've got a port in the back. It's a rubber plug. It says caution. Disconnect the power before you use it. So this little rubber plug comes out, and this will go right in here. It only goes in one way because it's keyed, right? That's it. That's all it does. Right? Little rubber plug goes in here, and then you can plug this back up if you want. But for now, we're going to go charge this up. All right. So let me get set up to charge it, and then I'll bring you into the picture in just a couple of minutes. We're going to pause our video, and we'll be back. So I move this over here. There's a GFI plug that I have, and I'm going to plug it in and start the charging process on it. I don't expect anything's going to go wrong, but we never know. This is the first time. Now I have a pool box that my other cleaner is in that I'm going to be replacing this. So we're going to plug this in where I showed you before. It's only keyed. It only goes one way. That's plugged in. And now we're going to put this in our GFI. There's a little red indicator on here, which means it's supplying power. So I don't know if the red means it's charging. I'm assuming so. But we'll check on this later today. Oh, yeah, I do have some stuff back here. It's in the sun and hard to see. Right in here, there's a bunch of stuff, but the sunlight prohibits me showing it to you. I don't know if you can see the red light over here. but that's charging. We're going to leave this alone for a while and say thanks for watching the video, and thank you, iGarden. In full disclosure of the video, I just wanted to show you that we are charging. All right, so we know, there it is. It's hard to see in the sun, but I just wanted to let you know it's working. Stay tuned, and we'll check it out when it's ready to go.